promise that I ain't going nowhere. I ain't blowing no smoke. I mean, I've been sober, but you should've known it. I wasn't going.
I woke up, had coffee. Now we at the tire shop. Got some tire shop with my baby food. However, tire change while we wait. It probably ain't gonna take too long. Like, they already took it off. We passed that stage, so y'all didn't get to see all of that. I'm sorry, but this is my Saturday routine. Well, this is not a routine. I never put this in my routine, but I'm going to try to make it to the barbershop with Dave. Make it to the nail shop. I can't get in there till 1. Got somebody else look dusty. It don't even matter. But this is some of my Saturday routines. I try to run my errands before Janae and her nurse get going. But if I can, I can. If I can't, I can't.
Right now, look.
That's how it's good. Why look it like that? What I made the same.
See that line? That was a recap.
I don't even know what a recap is.
That means they put rubber over a ball tire.
Where's my tire? That's crazy. That's higher. Actually, can use this to bite on at the new house. If they let you. No, I don't want him to bite on nobody. Okay, gang, so we are pulling up at the barbershop. I'm not going to tell y'all what barbershop because y'all be Googling people. I came to know this, so I'm not telling y'all what barbershop. But we are pulling up at the barbershop, as y'all can see. I'm gonna get out. I'm gonna go in because if I don't go in, they're gonna cuss me out. Okay, y'all? So I gotta go in. Thank you.
What's that?
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
I'm glad you came with us. You came last time. You was another fucking lady.
You know it. I had to make sure he get here.
Wait, you still John in the room?
I'm about to send it.
I ain't rubbing your head, nigga. I'm trying to drive. I'm trying to drive fast when you press up and make it help me.
Hey, no, you look good. The rag on that motherfucker.
Oh, yeah, I'm gonna get this.
It's like it was a last minute blow. You know what I'm saying?
That's crazy, bro.
Okay, y'all, so we just came out of the barbershop.
Well, y'all look like a brand new dude.
Don't hype him up, y'all. Y'all like his haircut or not. But anyways, we're about to head to the meat store. We got a meat store here in Orlando that does the 5 for $20. So you get 5 packs of meat for $20. Can't miss that, y'all. But anyways, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Boom. Okay, y'all, so that's shaky. We are in the meat store, y'all. They do the 5 for $20. I got 2 5 for $20, I believe, and I got some grease. Get my grease from here because it's easy to do. Okay, y'all, we'll be back. I'm gonna check out. I'm gonna show y'all my price and how she ring it up, how it comes for the 5 for $20, and how cheap it is. This is how we shop, bargain shop for a house. Hey, so this girl got family children and her husband, y'all. But this is normally how we shop and get stuff out of the way. All that say 5 for $20. You see a 5 packs of meat plus, well, you don't get that, but 5 packs of meat for $20. I'm in a nail shop. I'm trying not to call it out. Everybody don't like it. Okay, y'all. So I have came and got me some food. Right next door to the nail shop. Y'all see I'm done. I'm done. But I came and got me some food and I'm waiting on my food. So this is my bill. I ain't got no business paying it and I gotta move in a couple days, y'all. But I'm like, I cannot work this damn hard and not treat myself to nothing. You get it? Nothing. Cause life gonna still be here, bills gonna still be here, and I'm gonna get it by any means necessary. But I'm just saying, I can't work too damn hard, y'all. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Y'all follow me on TikTok at Mommy Cara on TikTok. Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Yep.
Here you go and have a
Thank you. Excuse me. Thank you. Thank you. No, you're fine. Of course my fat stuff had to come to crumble. Y'all see crumble behind me? Of course I had to come get some crumble in between. And they got a banana pudding, so we're gonna try that too. Let's see.
Oh yeah? Yeah, she over to mother-in-law's. What the hell you done bought?
They got banana.
They got banana what?
Pudding.
Cara. What you done bought?
Banana pudding. Okay, y'all, so I had to stop in between to try this crumble cookie. So let's do a crumble review really fast, real quick, in within 60 seconds. This is how it comes. This is what it looks like.
That's whipped cream and vanilla crackers.
It don't got a lot of cookies in there. Little cookies. This is what it looks like. They use banana pudding, not vanilla pudding. They got more whipped cream than they do cookies and bananas. This is like a 5. I'm gonna do nothing with this. It's alright. It's only $5. They gave me a waffle with syrup. Let's try this. Oh, and butter. I ain't using no syrup on my cookie. Let's eat the butter. It says 60 seconds. Come on, man. Come on. They got waffle mix and cookie mix together. That's decent.
Nah, that's decent.
10.10. Hey, y'all. I'm out of here. I'm gonna go. Look at this nasty ass.
What the fuck it is?